RPA, in general, we are a consulting engineering firm. We've been around for over 30 years, and we serve both the industrial and commercial arenas under one roof. We're a full service engineering company. We have mechanical, we have electrical, we have fire protection, plumbing, process, structural, automation, pretty much everything that you need, less civil engineering and architectural, all under one roof. And for those things we don't have, we have business partners that we work with often. In general, I would say areas that we really do well in, the more difficult the project, the better we do. We're used to working under tough constraints for clients. When you're working for companies like GSK, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson, those relationships span, the length of time that we've been fortunate enough to have them. That tells you the level of difficulty of project that we're able to handle. Conversely, on the metal side, our metals customers generally are those who make materials for the aerospace industry. So very exacting, world-class clients, no room for error. If I had to tell you those things that we do well, it's the more difficult the project gets, the better that we do.
A lot of firms, our size, do stay focused in a single given market. We find there's actually value in the fact that we are working in 4 or 5 different major markets, because those experiences, whether it be in pharma, biotech, industrial manufacturing, or power generation, really can transcend between the different markets and add value to projects where we've seen something happen in an industrial manufacturing environment that could really benefit manufacturing aspect in a pharma setting. Similarly, the reliability and the robustness that has to come out of a power generation design doesn't always come out of a natural design development in the other markets. And so the fact that we have that visibility to 100% uptime, driving equipment really to its peak performance for output in a power generation setting can really transcend into the other markets and add value to those projects in a very robust manner.
RPA, I like to refer to our firm as a customer-centric firm, which means we're a business partner with our customers, not necessarily hired help. And while we perform those services for our customers and be their partner, we're also employee-centric. And we focus on valuing the employee because they're the real product. And so RPA operates really more as a close-knit family of staff, and that's why we're successful.
So RPA is a full-service engineering firm that handles multiple verticals. In each vertical that we're in, we have some of the largest players within those industries. Why we're successful is we're large enough and have the subject matter expertise to be in any boardroom in the world. But we're nimble enough that if you need the CEO on the phone, you can get him today. But the 2 things that I think are most important about who RPA is are our responsiveness and the fact that we want to make the client successful no matter what. In engineering, there's a right answer. We know that there are many ways to get to that right answer. So we want to make sure that the client is successful first and foremost, and they feel like they have a partner. That's why 85% of our business comes from repeat clients, and a lot of our Fortune 100 clients have been with us for over 2 decades.
RPA, it was founded on a need observed in the industry where highly skilled and competent engineers were functioning in a firm that had flexibility, dedication to client, and great delivery. Coming from a large engineering consulting firm, they're always able to attract and maintain highly competent folks in specific industries, but they're in high demand and their services get diluted many times across the projects. RPA was founded to be a niche organization, being able to deliver to clients in our key market segments quality, competent engineering unmatched by anyone else in the competing engineering world, yet still nimble, flexible enough to react to the demanding needs of most of our clients.